Welcome to Homeostasis Jeopardy! My name is Matthew Tiabi, and I will be your host today. Let's introduce our contestants. First, we have Amanda from Belrose. Next up, we have Christopher from Floral Park.
Yeah.
Last but not least is Tyler from Douglaston.
Yay, Tyler!
These are our categories. General information about homeostasis, homeostasis at a cellular level, homeostasis in real life, and the importance of homeostasis. Get started. Amanda, please choose a category.
Can I get general information about homeostasis?
For how much?
$1,000.
Define homeostasis as it occurs in an organism.
Homeostasis is a continuous process that occurs within an organism, allowing the body to make small altercations at the cellular level to maintain metabolic balance.
Very good, Tyler. You have been awarded $1,000.
Nice.
The next category. What do you choose?
Let's see. I want general information about homeostasis for 800.
What is an example of homeostasis in the body? Chris.
Okay, so one simple example of homeostasis in the bodies is the ability to regulate body temperature. So basically, when our temperature gets too high, the brain sends signals to drop the temperature. The body maintains its temperature in order to keep a healthy environment.
Wow, that answer was definitely on point. Christopher, you've been awarded $800.
Yay.
Okay, Christopher, can you pick your next category?
I choose the importance of homeostasis for $1,000.
Okay, but that's a tough one. Your question is, what can happen if homeostasis fails within the body? Amanda.
Well, many things can occur in homeostasis fails. I guess that the simplest example is death. The failure in the maintenance of our metabolism will result in extreme body temperatures and even change to energy levels. This can lead to disasters such as hypothermia, heat stroke, obesity, and diabetes. Evidently, each one of these can be deadly.
Wow, you guys are very good at this game.
It's because our biology teacher is Asian.
Yeah.
That's true. Anyway, can I have my money?
Of course you can. Okay, let's see now. You are tied with Tyler for $1,000.
I'm gonna destroy you.
Now, children, no need for the discrepancies. Okay, for the next question.
Wait, I'm still winning, right?
No,
This game is rigged.
let's get on with our game. Amanda, pick your next category.
I pick homeostasis in real life for $800.
Okay, for this question, let's head out to the track.
No, please no, it's not my run day.
Look who's talking. I have Mr. B.
But we run more often.
Let's just get on with the game.
Can we at
What
least...
are we even doing out here? Do we have to run a mile?
For this question, you guys do have to run a mile.
Can we at least change into our gym clothes?
I got you covered.
Matthew, I think you did something wrong.
It's okay, you can run like that, it's fine. It looks perfectly normal. Alright, ready? On your marks. Get set. Just, Chris, stop cheating. Go! Intense. Oh my god. Screeching like monkeys. Oh my god. They have to run all this way. I'm glad I'm the announcer. Scrubs.
3 days later.
And finish. Almost. Alright, we'll wait for Tyler. Christopher, choose the next category, please.
I'm not going on the track again and choosing the last category. So I'll take homeostasis at a cellular level for $600.
This one's a hard one.
You say that for every question.
This is a really difficult one. Which hormones are used to maintain the glucose levels in the bloodstream and cells, and why are these important?
The hormones are insulin and, oh no, I forgot. Please give me my pity points.
No. Would anyone else like to give it a shot? Well, that's disappointing. The hormones are insulin, cortisol, glucagon, and catecholamines.
How would you expect me to know that?
Well, it's for your own benefit if you do. Glucose is our main source of energy. When levels are too low, you cannot get enough energy and hormones to keep the blood sugar levels stable. Too much glucose can have the same effect where insulin cannot be made and the blood sugar levels can cause headaches and fatigue. Cells use the hormones to move glucose inside and outside in order to keep the stability in the body and environment.
Only Miss Shen taught us that.
She will.
I was kidding. I can't take any more information. Whether it's whatever the Krebs cycle is, or the ETC, whatever that is, or the plant stuff and cells and everything, it's just so overwhelming. I quit.
Are you sure?
No, I need money to buy more chocolate from my dealer, Joshua.
Yeah.
Anyways, Christopher, please pick again.
I'll take the same category for $1,000.
What is the importance of osmosis in cells? Tyler.
So, osmosis goes along the concentration gradient. So when we have extra water inside the cell, it releases some of it, and the kidneys actually take in these fluids and wastes from the blood. So the wastes form urine and are released by the process of excretion. This is important because too much water can cause the cells to explode. An example of a hypertonic solution, and we would eventually die since no cells could function anymore. If the cells did not take any water in, they would shrink and we would die from dehydration. An example of a hypotonic solution.
Excellent job. Next category, please. Tyler, it's your pick.
Okay, I want to go with the general information about homeostasis for $200. Yeah?
Oh, I see. We're going to the lower numbers now. Regardless, this question is quite challenging.
Again with the difficult questions? Dude, get a life.
Please do not disrespect me or I will get my bodyguard, Mr. Bermudez, to escort you out. Just putting it out there. He can dance salsa like you would never believe. Anyways, I'm rambling. Now the next question is as follows. Which body systems are involved in maintaining homeostasis? Chris.
I believe the systems are the digestive and the respiratory system.
That is incorrect. As far as I know, every single system of the human body performs specific functions, and they work collaboratively to maintain a metabolic balance in a person. The nervous system, for example, helps to maintain homeostasis by alerting the sweat glands to release perspiration. We saw that before when we were on the track. Additionally, the circulatory system helps to maintain homeostasis in a different way, as it is composed of several components which allow for the transportation of blood throughout the body. Blood contains hemoglobin, which carries oxygen and transports it. Oxygen is needed to maintain cellular respiration.
That is 100% correct. Amanda, you have just received another $200. Go ahead and choose the next category.
I choose general knowledge about homeostasis for $400.
Excellent choice. The question is, what gas is released as a result of homeostasis in animals? Christopher.
Carbon dioxide!
Perfect.
Not fair, not fair. I rang in too.
So did I. You suck. I really hate you right now.
Do I need to get Mr. Bermudez?
Let's just get on with the game.
Thank you. Christopher, choose the next category.
General information for $600.
Closing out that category.
The optimum temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and the optimum pH level is around 7.2.
Exactly. Choose the next category.
How much more is there?
Not much longer now. Amanda, please proceed.
I choose homeostasis at a cellular level for $800.
What is the optimum pH level and temperature of the human body?
Oh! I got this one, bro.
Alright, Tyler, go ahead.
So this one's actually pretty easy. White blood cells are extremely important to humans as they protect our bodies from invasion by deadly viruses and bacteria. Basically, many of these bacteria can possibly cause diseases and different sicknesses, and therefore makes the jobs of white blood cells extremely crucial to our well-being and our health.
Definitely a good answer. You have been rewarded $800. Now let me read out the overall scores. Tyler, you currently have $2,800. Christopher, you have $2,000, and Amanda, you have $1,800.
I could have said that.
Don't kill my vibe.
Just make the next dang selection.
I guess it's that time of month for you. Anyways, I'll have homeostasis at a cellular level for $400.
Fine. The question is, Chris.
I got this. So here's what happens. Glucose and oxygen go into the body, and since we need energy for homeostasis in the form of ATP, the glucose and oxygen are converted to this. ATP is made in the mitochondria of a cell.
Okay.
Oh, my buzzer isn't working. This isn't fair.
Nothing's fair to you. Moving on. Christopher, pick your next category.
Homeostasis at a cellular level for 200.
Okay, last question in that category.
What is necessary for homeostasis and where in the cell is it made?
I thought questions worth less were easier. Miss Shen hasn't taught us this anyway, so I really don't care.
It's the hypothalamus for your information.
Okay. How did that happen?
You don't need to know that. Anyway, can I have the importance of homeostasis for $600?
Chris, go.
None of them. So, here's what happens. The results are the blood will be full of waste, and the toxins can destroy the blood. The brain and the heart would not get oxygen and make energy, so the stomach would not be able to break down nutrients that are vital to our survival. So we would die.
Excellent. Next category.
Importance of homeostasis for 200.
Okay. Tyler, go.
We would literally burn alive, which honestly is how I feel every day. At Townsend Harris, the organs would be burned since the pH levels would be too basic or acidic.
How could you possibly know that?
Why you gotta be so sour? Get it? Because, like, the acid things are sour?
That was
You just broke my pencil.
that was great, Tyler. Really fantastic. All right, great job. Pick the next category.
Alright, so I'll finish the category for $400, please.
Okay. The question is,
The white blood cells in the body produce enzymes known as neutrophils. These enzymes help break down the certain bacteria, so your body is raising your temperature to speed up the rate of this reaction and fight the bacteria better.
good. Only one category left. Homeostasis in real life.
Wait, what? No, my body cannot take another mile. What are we gonna do for the next question? Freeze to death?
How did you know? Never mind.
Are you serious?
Back to the game. Amanda, how much?
$400.
Why do we shiver?
Our body has receptors on the skin that send messages to our brain when we need to warm up. The muscles start to move by loosening and tightening, thus making heat.
How did you know that? What I meant to say was, good job. Next price value.
$200.
Look at this picture of a kid wanting to pee but cannot find a bathroom. The kidneys remove waste from our bloodstream, so what is the direct effect if they fail?
The blood would be full of toxins, and you would experience many symptoms such as fatigue, coma, or even death. Since the wastes are not removed, the toxins can harm many nutrients and elements in the blood that are necessary to live.
Okay. Next value.
$1,000.
Look at this person breathing in and out. He is taking in oxygen through the respiratory system, and then the circulatory system gets involved. How does the circulatory system assist in homeostasis?
Well, as I mentioned before, oxygen is needed to make energy. The circulatory system consists of heart, veins, arteries, capillaries, and blood. Blood has a protein on it known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen and the circulatory system transports it for use in other parts of the body.
I'm amazed. That's time for the last question for $600.
Hypothermia!
Wow, exactly. Well, that was the last question. Let's add up the scores. Tyler, you have $3,000. Christopher, you have $2,800. And Amanda has $4,000. Wow, Amanda, congratulations. You just won $4,000.
Yeah! Yay! I don't know what I'm going to do with all of it.
Wait, what's that in your ear? Headphones? Let me see.
It's nothing, just give me my money.
You were getting answers on this, weren't you?
I need the money.
Save the sob story for Miss Tiabi. Bermudez, come escort Amanda out.
No!
I knew she was cheating. Because of this, Tyler, you are the winner of Homeostasis Jeopardy. You have won $3,000.
Yay! Thank you. Good game, Chris.
Good game.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Why are you sitting like that?
Thank you. Good game,
Good
Chris.
game,
Alright.
congrats.
Guess who doesn't care?
What are you gonna do with the money?
It's alright.
Obviously, I'm going to buy the answers to the living environment regions.
You better share.
Don't worry. I will. This was fun. Wait. Don't we have a video biology collateral due tomorrow?
Yeah.
Wait, it's due tomorrow?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, wait, I have an idea. We can use this. I recorded the whole thing.
Genius idea. Just edit that part out when I say that I'm gonna buy the answers to the regions, okay?
Yeah, I got you. We should do blue.
Guys are all nerds. Alright, go.
So I believe the systems involved. Wait, don't I have to raise my hand?
What is an example? Oh, wait, no. Wait, I don't have.
Please. Well, I'm not going with the next category. Last cat. Oh, can we start over? 1,000.
What is the importance of osmosis?
Yo.
Yay! Our body has receptors on the skin that send messages.
Are you having a seizure?
Ooh. God.
Chris.
Wait, I'm not answering. So, cut that out.